This initial solution will show you how to share YouTube videos on Instagram story. First of all, let's see how to post YouTube videos on Instagram story as a link. Open your YouTube app and open the video you want to post to your Instagram story, and then tap on share and copy the video link. Then go to your Instagram, tap on this plus icon, select story, tap on create, tap on this sticker icon at the top, and here select link and paste here your YouTube video link. Tap on done, and now you can send this story. And if you want to directly post YouTube video on your Instagram story, then first of all you have to download the video. Then you have to tap on this plus icon, select story, tap on upload at the bottom left corner, and you have to select the video from your gallery, and that's how you'll be able to post YouTube videos on Instagram story. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.